And as always, we're going to be looking for accurate context, good risk management, and always exercising good patience.
Everybody who's traded has gone through periods of time where their strategy hasn't worked.
Where if not a hard stop, you should reevaluate the trades you're in based on time.
That's what we're here for, is to put ourselves in the best success. A trading routine does that, builds that habit, lets you know what to work on, what to reflect on, and what to improve on the next day.
Oops. All right. Good morning, everybody. I'm done messing that up for the day. Thank you very much.
Recording in progress.
Hope everybody's doing well this morning. We're getting ready for the Equity Open. Interesting situations. This is Make HOAG Money. Welcome to you all. This is me. My name is John Hoagland, the Senior Performance Coach here at Top Step Trader. I've been around the block a couple of times and have been with Top Step since 2011. Hopefully, helping traders like you get more knowledge and improving your performance. This is the CFTC disclaimer. What we are doing here is for educational purposes only. This is a live account. You guys are calling the trades. We're not suggesting that anybody else call these trades, and we know that futures trading does contain substantial risk. These are leveraged products. We stand the risk of losing more than our original investment. We should only be using risk capital to trade with. To me, risk capital is money I can afford to lose. We're not suggesting, again, this is the purchase or sale of any of these ideas or trades. There's no performance, past or present or future, that can be indicative of future results. Hypothetical and simulated performance results do have certain limitations, unlike an actual performance record. Simulated results do not represent actual trading. Why is that? Because there's no accountability, no risk, and no consequence in a random simulated account. Get into the trading combine. Don't risk your capital to the market. Succeed in the trading combine. You can then use our risk rules for Make HOAG Money. Kindness and respect are expected above everything. There's a million ways to skin a cat. There's a million opinions in the market. Well, we're going to have a couple of people unable to talk. We're all going to be involved in the decisions, and context is helpful. Use the chat rooms to discuss the trades. We're going to focus on the ES for opportunities. We're not going to trade just to trade. We're not taking losing trades, which is, of course, a joke. We know that losing is part of trading. And, of course, feedback on Make HOAG Money is vital. If you have ideas, let me know. jhoagland@topstep.com. All right, let's get the platform up here and see what we are looking at. We're pretty close to maybe opening with a gap here. That might be something that would be interesting for us. Who's gonna chat today? Who wants to talk? I know we're gonna probably get Randolph up here. Let me get him, and we'll see who else wants to chat this morning. It's good to see everyone. Yes, rich capital, gold bars under your mattress. Good morning, Shaw. Good morning, Fred. Good morning, everybody. On YouTube, my brother Tom is watching on YouTube. JD, good morning. Dan Trader, Nastic, Jason, Tyler, Pete, Robert, and Rusty Golfer. What do we got going on here? If we open with a gap, I'm going to put it out there as usual. Do we want to think about the opening range trade? It's been a loser for us.
Wait and watch.
Wait and watch.
Even though I can't vote.
I can make sure you can vote.
No, it's all right.
Shaw's not interested in the opening range trade. JT, this platform is working fine. Not sure which platform you're on. Good morning, Ashraf, Andy.
Half hour on the left still.
Yes. VWAP 3914.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean on the phone? No, they're probably getting into the office right now. All right. Here's the end of the poll. 52 to 48. We do not have a mandate. So we'll what? We'll wait and watch. We'll do what Randolph is saying.
You know, when the number comes out like as expected, it's kind of hard to digest off of that.
Mm-hmm.
See, yesterday when you sold it, that would have been golden.
You know, where was that? That was like 38.
And then 38, 39, 42 or something.
It was up there. Not anymore.
Yeah. Well, shoulda, woulda, coulda. I get it.
Here's that 200 session moving average on the 30-minute. Might be something interesting. But
I would sell again. I would sell against that in a heartbeat.
Would you?
Oh yeah.
All right, let's take that vote. Relaunch. Third. Let's see here. Where is that? First, let's make sure that's what it is. 200 session exponential moving average.
What about SMA?
It's probably pretty close. And we'll go pink. Oh, a little higher.
Yeah.
All right, so up here somewhere, we're gonna look for a short. Is what I'm gleaning here from your votes.
You know, you got to realize that CPI number is old, right? From February.
Oh yeah, that's lagging, right? Here's the results. 81% agree. So we're going to look for shorts up in this area here. I'm going to put a seed in. Fred says he's bullish. Banking problems are contained for the moment. Big number for the day is out. Equities tend to rally in the absence of bad news. I wonder who said that. I say. I'll say I'm a rooster and you're a chicken hawk. See, if we open with a gap and we leave the gap, it makes me nervous to look for shorts.
You nervous? Come on, Mortimer.
I know. I'm guts of steel. Steel wrapped in rawhide.
You timed your visit this week very well.
Yeah?
Yeah, Mars is closed from the 20th through the 26th.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, you just.
Well, they can't close on St. Patrick's Day.
That's what I know. That's what I just got a blurb text yesterday about that. So I don't know why they're doing that. Unless they've moved everybody over to the getaway.
No, that we don't want them over by us. All right, we are open. Huh. No, Mars Cheese Castle, Fred's asking. No, not Mars Cheese Castle. It's
Mars Resort on Lake Como.
Yeah, everybody says Mars Cheese Castle.
Yeah. No, we're talking Mars Cocktail Castle.
Uh-huh.
Hey, Vince.
Morning, Vince. Let's see here. I want to see if we're gonna pass on the opening range trade. It'll work. Watch. 5 points.
He may not even get up there.
Where was that level? Vince, you haven't been able to get into your platform. What the heck is going on? So we just took out the low of the opening range. High is 12. We've got a gap close to the tick. The
Get a little bit of a rally in the dollar, John.
yeah.
Metals are slacking.
Mm-mm. That can't happen.
Anything.
Edward, that's a really good number, and that lines up with that 200 session simple moving average. 3960 says is half back from the last 2 weeks. June contract values. I like it. We already have a mandate to look for a short up there somewhere. Oh, I had I didn't move this to June. The only thing I didn't. Forward. So we took out the high after taking out the low of the opening range. It wouldn't have worked. So we're going to put a order in up here at 60 to look for a short. I'm going to put the stop in up here at 70 just to put something in. We close the gap. It's not a very strong gap close. It's to the tech. Maybe we're being a little too expensive on that, but that's the way it is. Where do I roll over the ES? So you want to go, if you're on TS Trader, you want to go up to this view settings wheel right up here on the upper corner and click on that, and it'll say roll forward. You want to get to the June contract. So you just hit go roll forward and it'll take you there. Is the pre-market overbought? Overnight longs.
RSI shows, what does that show?
I don't have it on here. This is Delta.
Yeah, I see that.
Hang on a second here. I want to be able to see that. Alrighty. Alright, so I'm seeing Delta at negative 2200 on another platform. I'm going to F-bomb this. Do you want me to put the RSI on there, Rick?
Yeah, just for a minute if you would. Be so kind, Mortimer. So it's a little overbought.
Yeah, a little overbought.
Yeah.
No divergence, though.
Delta's down. Yeah, I definitely would put some out there at the 200 SMA or EMA.
Yeah, we've got the SMA right here. here. Oops. We got the order in for the SMA. Where is that chart? There we go. Wasn't this? Where did it go?
You lost them.
Well, sometimes things disappear on this
There.
thing.
Something is up there.
Yeah. There it is. So there's the exponential and there's the simple.
Yeah.
We've got an offer in up against the simple.
All fitting.
Eh. Somebody told Ricky was funny this morning.
Yeah.
F5, Don Clemens. Hit F5. That's when I say I have to F-bomb the platform.
Was that to wipe everything clear?
No, that's if things aren't operate. If there's like display errors, if you're like if I can't see the delta the right way, it's now it's right because I F-bombed it. Oh, there we go. Now it's right because I F-bombed it. But sometimes like the VWAP bands won't be on there, and I'll have to F-bomb it. Sometimes in the profiles there'll be like missing volume, and that'll show up if you F-bomb it.
I know Tom would ask if he was on here. Does the F mean fail?
Right? There, he's listening.
I know.
So you're on the 200 from the daily chart. Let's look. Simple. Normally I have it on here. 200. Bam! And where is it? There it is.
It's a ways away.
Yeah. Now maybe he's got it on the continuous.
A little trending lower. I mean, you look at the. I mean, Fred wants to be long, huh?
Because on my daily here, I'm seeing the 200 down here.
Yeah. It's 60 ticks higher. Or $60.
Uh-huh. This is M. This is June. Yep.
Plus, you got the lows. You know, look at all the lows you got hanging around there too. You know, just below it.
You talking about here?
So Edward's saying 200 dailies right here, 91. He said.
39.10. Oh, 39.
Can you go to the left a little bit on the daily?
On the SPY. On the chart?
Yeah, I just want to see all the lows over there, and they got highs.
Here.
Right where we are.
Right here.
Yeah, it's rejected, support, rejection. You know, horizontally.
No.
I don't look at the wicks.
No.
Those are anomalies to me. I look at the candles.
Mm-hmm,
So.
mm-hmm. No, I see what you're seeing. You're seeing here.
Yeah, you got like 5 points of contact almost, you know. And again, it's a range. It's not, you know.
Of course, everything is.
Yeah.
But this is the neckline from this Head and Shoulders.
Yeah, there you go. Well, you snap that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what do? You use that as a second resistance level?
Yeah, I would.
There's nothing else coming out today, right?
No,
Okay.
no, there's nada. PPI tomorrow. There's a couple of bill announcements, but that's it.
Powell
No,
Powell is not saying, right? No,
I don't see any talking feds on the calendar here until Bowman is going to speak at 4:20. Well, he's going to be speaking about marijuana futures at 4:20.
Are we all going?
Ah.
Yeah, no, nothing. Tomorrow's chock full of fun stuff.
Yeah.
Retail sales, PPI,
Mm-hmm.
business inventories,
Empire State Manufacturing, Housing Market Index,
Home Builder Survey.
Petroleum Status Report.
Yeah, tomorrow could be interesting also.
Mm-hmm. Anything that involves inflation is going to be interesting.
Yeah, marijuana futures. Good Fred.
I wanted to do that. I wanted to move to Hawaii and open an exchange, the Hawaiian Marijuana, Pineapple, and Coconut Exchange.
Fred, and on the marijuana futures, you always want to be long so you can sell the high.
Ba-dum. Hey,
Yeah.
Matt Hoyt's here.
It's like George Carlin, remember that? Canadian low, not to be confused with a Mexican high.
There's the link in YouTube there in the chat if you want to join. Anybody wants to join in the Zoom meeting, Mr. Hoyt.
I think Ed may have something there if it's stalls, but it's based on those 5 points of contact that we showed, John.
Right. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, there's 3, 4, 5.
Hey, you count your way. I'll count mine.
All right, Mortimer. Put my dollar in the mail today, would you?
I'll give it to you on Friday.
Okay.
Let me see what Matt Hoyt has to say about today.
Good morning, traders.
What's up,
Morning.
Mr. Hoyt?
You are cracking me up today, guys. I'm loving it. I could use a laugh. I mean, I see price moving higher. I think we all do.
Yeah, we got the gap close, and that was it.
I don't have an entry. I'm looking for a pullback to buy. So I just got to wait around for that.
You know, man, I think if you go both ways today, it'd probably be a range day, more or less.
Yeah, I mean, yesterday was so huge. It was crazy, right? I mean, we had a 100-point range. So there's a lot to work with.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good day. You can make money on those, playing both ends.
Yeah, I'm liking it. And then that CPI came out, and we did a little knee jerk down that up, and we haven't revisited that low. I mean, I don't know. It seems kind of like a mellow day for the S&P compared to yesterday. But then the odd thing is, I watched the Russell also. I mean, the Russell just exploded. I mean, it was like a
Boom.
48-point move in the Russell, and I thought, the Russell doesn't lead anything. I get it, but wow, for it to move that high and nothing else is really taken out. I don't know. I suppose it's all relative. No one's taken out the high from the 12th, so I guess that's the barometer. That's my line in the sand. I just don't have a play to make right now.
Plus that 39.50 is going to be a psychological too. Like John, he loves those even numbers.
Uh-huh.
So Matt, do you think it's a drift higher or a?
I mean, geez, I thought it would be a little more explosive than this. I have to say, but
Yeah.
it seems to be drifting.
Get the barber pole out.
Yeah, right. Seriously, singing in the rain over here. I mean, I guess with the rollover, I mean, look at this. The high on Monday at like 1 a.m. was 39.70. We traded down to 38.40. I mean, that's 130 points. Today looks like a slow, grindy, rollover day. Which maybe it'll give us a chance to get in without taking those heat.
What's halfway back from 3,900 to the high for the last couple days?
Mm-hmm. And if we go,
Probably around 4,000, I'm guessing. Fibonacci.
I mean, I think if we take out the wick from yesterday, I think we're going to fill into the bottom of that prior green wick. In Big John chart where that is.
Here?
More to the right.
Here.
Yeah, that candle, the bottom of that little green candle, what price is that?
40.09 and a quarter.
49 and a quarter. See how, so after that wick, there's a space to the downside, nothing else touches it?
Right.
A lot of times, price will fill that in and want to touch that 40.09, huh?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I mean, it's not that far away. It's only 50 points. Things we've already moved 40 points from the number.
Uh-huh. I'm trying to find something I saw the other day.
Is RSI still showing a little bit oversold?
Overbought.
I mean overbought. That's
Yeah, a
what I meant.
little bit.
So DXI is around it, but the metals aren't breaking. So I don't know. Breaking a little.
Hmm.
Nice job, Brian. 24. Nice job.
Yeah.
We are working our way up there. Rick, is that your TV?
You got ears like that.
I do. You can always mute if you're not speaking. Or I can mute you. No, Ash, we don't have an open position. The idea was to hurry up and wait. There's our overnight. Finally, we got a... Oh, no, that's yesterday. So we did get into this gap.
So could we still trade the March contract if we wanted to, or is it just time to
Yeah,
wait for the June?
you can if you want to.
Yeah.
But there's a...
There's more volume in the June. That's just that.
Yeah, let's see.
Typically.
Yeah, I mean, March has almost a little more than half what June has as far as volume's concerned.
Oh, okay, okay.
Hey, all Ainsley. We are watching the MES, the micro S&P June contract. This is the ES chart June contract. MES profiles, MES dome. Sam, it seems like a sit on hands kind of day. A little bit, huh? Although I am wearing my rally sweater.
Yeah, but it's turned inside out. So what does that mean?
Trying to shore things up a little bit. I know what I think, but this isn't about me. It's about you guys. Yeah, Fred, I think you're right. I think that there's a tendency to overtrade due to perhaps entertainment factor, right? We don't do anything. We're just kind of hanging out here, but we do have some good conversations and tease each other a lot.
Never have ever done that.
Well, the banter's half the fun.
It was on the floor too, wasn't it? I mean, there was always chatter going on.
Makes it easier to wait for something, right? Versus looking at a screen by yourself, talking yourself into who knows what.
You had a lot of people to talk to.
Yeah, right?
Some were nice, some weren't.
That's life. So you didn't sell it at $39.50. Okay.
We haven't been there yet.
Yeah, you have.
We have not.
In June, we traded up to 56.5.
Yeah.
So but if you sell it there, what are you leaning on? Because, in the shorter time frame, we're making higher highs.
We were looking at this.
I'd probably reel it in around VWAP.
This 200 session moving average.
Okay. That's a moving average on a 30-minute?
Yeah.
I thought someone said they're short at 58.
Okay.
I think they were getting out at 58.
Maybe. Oh. Got missed by 3 ticks. Yeah. That's where he wanted to short it. I hate it when that happens.
What do you think of the crude today? I got lucky. I got long right at the bottom there, 72, 75 in the April. It's kind of popping up. I feel like it's going to go. I got my profit at 74.45. You know, crude can get pretty slick, no pun intended. But, right? I mean, if it gets explosive, where's it going? I mean, am I?
Well,
Hey, John, how come you're not in April? Showing April.
this is April crude.
Oh, crude. I'm talking about ES.
Because it doesn't trade April.
Oh, what's the next?
June.
June?
Yeah,
Oh,
March, June, got these.
Yeah, it's quarterly expirations. Crude expires monthly.
so the volume's still in March?
In S&P's, June.
So then you should be showing June?
Yeah, we are.
In the spoos, yeah. So in the crude though, I'm in the April.
That's it. Should be April till probably Thursday. Then
I
it'll
got my
probably move to
profit.
May.
I got my profit up at 74.45. My stop's at break even at 72.75.
Okay.
I feel
Nice
realistic.
trade. Nice.
We'll see if it gets hit. So we're poking up. If we can just take out this little prior high at 73, 77, which we're at right now.
Yeah.
If we can trade 73.80, maybe we get a little run. And
73.90 is weekly kickoff low.
Is that it? Okay. Oh, here we go. We just popped a little bit.
Yeah. It's a good trade.
Yeah, nice job.
Thanks.
Now here's
There we
the
go.
nut cutting right through it. Like a knife
gonna
through
get it.
butter.
Yeah, right. Kaboom.
Nice job.
Cha-ching.
Go. Colt's back in the woodshed.
Gold's holding its own on the ETFs, though, on the mining stocks.
Do you guys trade crude that much? Because I know you talk about it in the kickoff and the prep all the time.
I don't very much.
I'll do the XLEs. Energy ETF. Natural gas, crude.
I see.
It follows it pretty close.
How's the volume on that?
Huge.
Huge. Okay.
Huge.
A lot of people can't or don't trade stocks. They'll trade the ETFs.
Right. So the ETF, you can't really use margin on that, or can you? Is it
Oh, yeah.
leverage?
Oh yeah, I'm with Fidelity. I got a margin account too.
Oh, okay. Do you feel like it's an easy trade, or is it like kind of crazy?
No, it's easy.
XLE.
Yeah.
You know how some margin,
And they got the XL ETF also, which is basically all bank stocks. Financial end of the business.
okay.
Of course
Kinda
it's
just-
easy.
Kind of spreads it out a little bit, but
Okay. Interesting.
Yeah, you're looking good here, Matt.
Yeah, we're getting
results
close.
pretty much the same.
Close to payday, 74.45.
Yeah, I like it. That's value low from yesterday.
Yeah, okay. I feel like we got a chance of touching it. I mean, do I get a tick in front of that, or I don't know.
Well, John uses a 10% roll, just FYI.
Yeah.
Right? Just take the money and run, baby.
If it gets close, it's a win. New
Maybe I'll-
TPO here.
I'll snug my stop up to like what? 73.90. I don't know. The whole dilemma. We'll take the stop up to 73.72.
You sure?
Well,
Not 73.71?
it won't let me move it. Hold on. Because it's at break even, it makes it difficult till I highlight it.
Oh, yeah.
John Ed said, look at the 15-minute candles. Interesting.
Here we go.
So Ed, what's this telling you?
Who?
Ed. He says one more push, then we drop. There's doji here. Little indecision. Although we are kind of one time framing. Higher lows, higher highs. Hey, Mike. Good to see you. So, I guess Michael Patak let it out of the bag on their Q&A. We're going to be spending a little more time together, and hopefully you're going to we're all gonna get a lot out of it. We're gonna be expanding probably April 1st to the prep into Make HOAG Money, into a period of watching the markets together, and I'll be watching for news in real time. We'll be having interviews. We're going to be opening Top Step TV. I hope it's going to be something that you enjoy. I can't tell you how much I enjoy hanging out with everybody. This is a blast for me, and so hopefully this is going to be something we're going to like.
Sounds like a win to me.
Thank you, Matt. It's kind of hard to hear all the cheering because, we're not all in the same room. Just kidding.
I was wish we could stay on Zoom longer. I mean, a lot of action.
Yeah.
That's
That
what they're...
9:30 is a key time of the day.
Yeah.
Will's asking if it's pay-per-view, Brent, or
No.
Mortimer.
Totally free. It's going to be on YouTube. Totally free.
You should put a little dollar thing in there because you've seen that where people can donate money if they want.
Yeah, I don't want that.
Yeah, why would you want money?
No, it's something, something we're doing just to broaden the community, be part of the community, help the community maybe. I mean, that's the goal. We want everybody succeeding. Yes, Finami. Eddie used to do something like that. It was Squawk Radio. And Eddie's going to be joining me from time to time on...
There you go.
On the show, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know.
What do you got over there at 3960, John?
That's an offer. That's the offer you suggested.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Just making sure.
Nice, Edward.
Top Step TV Octagon Battle. Short at 59, 39.59. You must be trading June.
39.66.
You're trading June? No.
No.
Nice, Vince. Nicholas. I thought we were doing the opposite. Nick, what is the TPO structure telling us? What is it telling you? $67, no risk in the trade.
What's up with that? Is that the EMA up there?
This?
Yeah.
That's the second standard deviation from VWAP.
Okay.
This is now the 15-minute chart. Huh.
The poor high is unlikely to hold, huh?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not a very good. It's a low excess high. B period just peaked over A. The gap wants to be closed in the NASDAQ, huh? So here's the NASDAQ. Here's this. I mean, it kind of did close the gap. Here's the low for the session. Maybe there's a gap above.
It's like a balloon. It's just floating.
Yeah. Well, it's a good thing if you're looking for shorts. We've been very patient. Mr. Hoyt, Mr. Decker is saying that crude oil could have gotten too short near the near the period prior low. It was a cheap
Bull
trade.
said
What was it? A cheap trade, wasn't it, Fred?
Bull said he got short at 56.
Yeah, I'm still in the crude. I mean, literally 72.75 is the entry. The stop was at 72.60. I mean, it was like a $60 risk for a $600 reward. So my stop is now up to 73.825.
Nice.
So even if I get hit on the stop, I'm 6-1 my way.
Well, that's a good trade location there.
Yeah. I'm happy with that. It's my trade of the day. Yay.
Nice.
Yeah,
This-
top step will be good. We'll be able to watch more markets too.
If it tries to rally again and fails, John, I'd lower that.
Yeah. Nice trade, Will. Make HOAG Money schedule is currently Monday and Wednesday, 2 p.m. Central. Tuesday and Thursday, 8:20 a.m. Central. So we're going to change them all to earlies. Maybe we'll throw an afternoon in there once in a while.
The dollar's breaking again.
So's the S&Ps.
Spews.
So assuming we get to stay on with the Zoom, what time would your cutoff be? Like 10 o'clock, 10:30? What are you thinking?
What's that?
So, like you said, the talk said, let the cat out of the bag and said we'd stay on longer.
Right.
What's any ETA like is it 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock?
I'm thinking between 10:30 and 11 o'clock.
Yeah. Okay.
If we can keep it interesting,
Right. Well, we're kind of at the mercy of what the market does, which is fine.
Right. Well, we can, I'm going to have real time news, so we'll be able to keep in touch with what's going on in the world, and
Cool.
we're going to get some traders to talk about things. Matt, I get you in there. Rick, anybody else wants to come in and chat for a while? Get some, probably get Anne Marie to join me once or twice, which would be nice. I don't see if she's here right now, but we get a couple other educators up there and make a show of it.
All right. I think that sounds great. I'm excited about it.
Cool. Thank you.
Check my wife's flight status. See if she's still coming home.
Yeah, how's Scrabbles?
Scrappy had a good night.
Good.
He ate. Yeah. I'm surprised. She's holding it together right now. So.
His dog Scrabble is 19 years old.
Oh wow. Yeah, last week you said she was a mama's dog looking for mama?
Oh yeah.
All over the house.
That's Paisley. Paisley's 17.
Yeah, Ben. As soon as we finish the prep, we're no breaks, just straight into Make HOAG Money. So that's going to give us more time in the morning to prep.
I'd lower your offer to double nickel.
We'll see if we get it.
Yeah.
What's that do to my stop? Bye, Andy. Have a great day.
Yeah, I put stop up there. Yeah.
Leave it there.
Above the high of the day. Yeah, there. I agree. I don't think it's going to rally up there, but we'll see. We could get a wick.
I haven't figured out how to do that yet, Shaw. I may add a Zoom meeting and just have it join the YouTube as we get into Make HOAG Money, because I don't know how we're going to vote if we don't have the Zoom meeting. Still working on a couple of things, but we'll get it figured out. I don't know who Scott is on the red zone. But I'm not trying to compete in here with anybody yeah, Nick, the delay on Zoom is significantly less, right? You can do polls on YouTube. I guess that's true.
Mm-hmm.
Start a poll.
That's what we're trying to do, JT.
There. I started a poll on YouTube.
Come on, you were so close. Shit. Let's see what happens.
With minutes to spare.
Hey, you're making money.
Yep.
Cut bait.
Hey,
You long or short?
we're short. 55.
Short of 55.
End
all
poll.
right.
So there was the poll. Do you like the idea of Top Step TV? 100% yes. 11
All right.
votes. 11 votes. So yeah, I can do that. We can maybe just do this totally on YouTube. Be a lot of typing. You guys will hear a lot of this.
Where you want to reel it in, John? What are you thinking? TPO?
You mean POC? Volume point of control.
Yeah, 49. Or let it ride.
Well, you know me. I'm Mr. Gambler.
Leave your stop where it is. Turn off your computer.
I'm Mr. Vegas. Here we go. We got it. There's a winner. Just in time.
Nicely done.
Yep. I got to run.
Nice trade, Mortimer.
Nice one.
Another $1.
Yep. Well, that was worth the wait, I guess, huh?
If it gets up there, let them have it again.
Yeah. You know, I got to run.
Reload.
I got to run. So that was perfect timing.
All right, gentlemen, have a great day.
You too.
All right.
Matt, Rick, thank you. Thank you all for joining. Thanks for the vote of confidence for Top Step TV. We're going to try and make it as good, entertaining, and educational as we can. Trade well,
Hey,
everybody.
Can we change the pictures on this freaking screen?
Why, you don't like this one?
Hey, it looked like a curmudgeon.
Well, they don't take pictures of happy people on the trading floor.
Well, they got Photoshop.
You know who this guy is right here?
Yeah, Luckman.
Yeah, that's
Sid Luckman's grandson.
Yep, Sid Luckman's grandson. Yep.
wow.
Look back.
It makes me feel really old.
I know. All right. Well, have fun being old.
Yeah,
Love
you
you.
too.
Love you
You're
guys.
catching up.
Love you guys. Have a great day.
Yep, have a good one. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.